If your priority date is current but you're still waiting, I know how frustrating and confusing that can feel. The good news is that a current priority date means you've reached an important milestone. In this video, I'll explain why some EB-3 nurses are still waiting and what the most common reasons are. Welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global. If you're an overseas nurse waiting for your US immigrant visa, this video is especially for you. Many nurses have been asking, my priority date is current. My employer says everything is approved. So why am I still waiting for my visa interview or visa issuance? If that's your situation, don't worry. Today, I'll explain what's happening in simple terms, discuss the latest legal developments, and what they may mean for nurses pursuing EB-3 visas. Let's get started. Disclaimer. Before we begin, this video is for educational purposes only. Immigration policies change regularly, and every case is different. Always follow guidance from your immigration attorney, recruiter, employer, and the US government. What is a priority date? Many people think that once their priority date becomes current, they'll receive their visa immediately. Actually, that's not how the system works. Your priority date is simply your place in the EB-3 queue. Think of it like taking a numbered ticket at a bank. When your number is called, you're finally eligible to move to the next stage. It doesn't necessarily mean you'll be served instantly. For EB-3 nurses, your priority date is usually the date your employer filed your labor certification or, where applicable, your immigrant petition. Every month, the U.S. Department of State publishes the Visa Bulletin. When your priority date becomes current, it means a visa number is available for your case. That's excellent news. But it is not the final step. Why are some nurses still waiting? Let's look at some of the common reasons. 1. Embassy interview scheduling. Even if your priority date is current, the U.S. Embassy still has to schedule your interview. Some embassies have large backlogs. Others have fewer appointment slots. That alone can delay your case. 2. Administrative processing. Some applicants are placed into administrative processing. This may involve security checks, document verification, background reviews. Some cases finish quickly. Others may take longer. 3. Country-specific restrictions. Another issue affecting some applicants is country-specific visa restrictions. Depending on the applicant's nationality and current U.S. policies, additional reviews or limitations may apply. These policies have been challenged in court, and some legal decisions have required USCIS to continue processing certain immigration benefits. However, those rulings do not automatically mean every overseas visa interview or visa issuance resumes immediately. This distinction is very important. 4. Missing documents. Sometimes the delay is much simpler. Examples include expired police certificates, expired medical examinations, passport renewal, updated employment documents. These issues can also delay visa issuance. The court case. Now let's talk about the recent court developments. A federal court ruled that USCIS could not broadly freeze immigration benefit processing for applicants from certain countries. This is encouraging because USCIS must continue processing eligible applications. However, USCIS and the U.S. Department of State are different agencies. USCIS approves immigration benefits inside the United States. The Department of State issues immigrant visas through U.S. embassies and consulates abroad. So even after the court ruling, applicants may still experience delays at the embassy stage depending on their circumstances. This is why some nurses with current priority dates are still waiting. What should nurses do now? Instead of becoming discouraged, here are 5 practical steps. Keep your documents updated. Check. Passport. Police clearance. Medical examination. Civil documents. Monitor your email. Watch for messages from National Visa Center, your employer, your immigration attorney, Your recruitment agency. Keep your nursing credentials current. Maintain. Nursing license. Visa screen. English language requirements. If applicable. Stay in contact with your employer. Sometimes employers receive updates before applicants. Good communication is important. Be careful of misinformation. There are many rumors on social media. Always verify information using official sources. Good news. Although the waiting can be frustrating, there is good news. 1. The court rulings show that immigration policies can be reviewed and challenged. 2. Many hospitals across the United States still need nurses. 3. The long-term demand for qualified nurses remains strong. If you've already reached the stage where your priority date is current, you're much closer than someone who has not yet started the process. Remain patient. Stay prepared. And respond quickly whenever your employer or the National Visa Center contacts you. Conclusion. I hope this video has helped you understand why some nurses are still waiting even though their priority dates are current. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global for verified updates on overseas nursing jobs, visa sponsorship, immigration news, and global healthcare opportunities. If you have a current priority date and are still waiting, let us know in the comments. Your experience may encourage and help another nurse going through the same journey. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.